When adding a layer to the FGDL Explorer, you are given the opportunity to view its complete metadata and to download the layer and its archived versions to your own computer. Within the layer browser, make sure you have a specific layer selected. In the far right section of the layer browser, there will be a link to view complete metadata and a link to download. If older versions of the data are available, you'll see them listed under archive versions, with a link to download them. You may have to scroll down to see these links. Clicking on the View Complete Metadata link will open a web page in your browser with the full metadata listed. Clicking on the Download or any archive version link will open a download pop-up. You may wish to view the metadata or download the layer after adding it to the map viewer. In order to do this, find the layer in the layer list and click on its menu. Select Show Layer Info. A pop-up will appear with the layer's symbology, summary, link to complete metadata, and download link.